we're going to talk about ordering fraction. So we have 6 fractions right here. We need to put them in order from least to greatest or greatest to least. But before we do it, we need to turn these fractions to decimals, to a decimal equivalency. You could draw these, but I'd rather get an exact decimal equivalency. So let's look at these. Remember, there are 2 methods to do it. The Tae-Bo method and the out of 100 method. So let's start with the out of 100, the easier one. Which one of these 6 can go out of 100? 1/2 can go to 100. 20 can go into 100. 5 can go into 100. Can 8 go into 100? Nope. Can 3 go into 100? No. Can 25 go into 100? Yes, it can. So what do you multiply this by? By 50 times. You get 50 hundredths. Or 0 and 50 hundredths. Can this go into 100? Yes, times 5. That's 45, or 0 and 45 hundredths. Can this go 100? Times 20 is 40 hundredths, or 0 and 40 hundredths. Can 25 go 100? Times 4, it goes in 52 times, or 0 and 52 hundredths. So, let's look at our last 2. Can these go to 100? Not quite. So we need to use Tae-Bo method. What does Tae-Bo again represent? Top in, bottom out. Who's on the top? 5. Put it inside. Who's on the out? 8. Put it on the outside. Can you turn this, add some placeholders to this 5? Let's add 3 placeholders. Do you know your 8? You know what? I'm going to write down the stuff. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So, can 8 go in 5? No. Can 8 go in 50? It goes in 7 times. Wait. Hold up. 56. You know what? That's too large. It goes in 6 times. I apologize. Which is 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. I bring down the 0. Who is closest to 20? 2 times, which is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. I bring down the 0. It goes in 5 times. So, it goes in 625 thousandths. 5/8 is equivalent to 625,000. Let's look at our next example. 2/3. Can that go in 100? No. Top goes in, bottom goes out. How many placeholders should I put here? Let's put 3 placeholders. Can 3 go in 2? No. Can 3 go in 20? 6 times. 20 minus 18 is 2. I bring down the 0. Can 3 go in 20? 6 more times. Bring down to 0. Can 3 go in 20? 6 more times. So it's repeating, so it's 666,000. You know what? I'm going to add some placeholders here into the thousands. So 50 is the same thing as 500,000. 4,500 is the same thing as 450,000. 40 hundredths is the same thing as 400,000. 5,200 is the same thing as 520,000. So which one of these is the least? 616. 400. So 2/3 is the least. Who is the second least? 450. 920. That's 450,000. Who's the next least? 1/2. 500,000. Who's the next least? 1325 or 520,000. Who's the next least? 5/8 or 625,000. And the greatest is 2/3 with 666,000. So wait. What did I just do here? The least was 2. Oh, that's 2/5. I apologize. 2/5. So the least is 2/5, then 920, then 1/2, 1325, 5/8, 2/3 is the greatest. So to put fractions in order, turn it to a decimal equivalency. Determine which one are out of 100 and which one is Tae-Bo. Then put them from least to greatest or greatest least. This is ordering fractions.